Welcome to Rater Trading, algorithmic momentum trading with zero hesitation. Here's how it works and what it looks like in action. Rater Trading is an algorithmic day trading system built to execute momentum-based scalping strategies with speed, precision, and zero emotion. It watches the chart, reads the indicators, sizes the position, and manages the trade, all in real time, all automatically. You select the stock, choose the mode, the algorithm handles the rest. Rater Trading is not designed for every stock on the market. It's purpose-built for the most volatile, highest opportunity setups of the day. We're scanning for the day's biggest movers, stocks hitting our top percentage gainers and high-of-day screeners. The ideal setup: double-digit percentage gains, high relative volume, a low float, and ideally a news catalyst driving the move. The algorithm strategically manages two paths. If the stock moves in your favor, it compounds, scaling in until it exits for maximum profit. If the stock moves against you, it scales in defensively and de-risks as price drifts back near your cost basis. Consistent wins in chop, home runs when it trends. Rater Trading also lets you set your risk level, which controls how aggressively the algorithm sizes your positions. As we switch from risk level 1 to risk level 5 and then to risk level 25, you'll see how the total maximum position size automatically changes, visible to the left of the high-of-day price. The risk level automatically adapts to any stock's price and volatility, so you never have to calculate share sizes on the fly or when changing tickers. Just set a level you're comfortable with and let the algorithm handle the rest. We recommend starting at a risk level below 5 while getting comfortable with the system. As your confidence and your results grow, you can gradually increase the risk level to match. The algorithm dynamically scales with you. Rater Trading software can seamlessly switch into short mode, which uses the exact same engine, just flipped. Instead of buying, it shorts. Instead of selling, it covers. The indicators and thresholds stay the same, just serving the opposite function. Long mode works best when the 1-minute MACD is still open and the 5-minute chart isn't overextended, when there's still room to run. Short mode is ideal when the stock is clearly on the backside of the move and shares are available to borrow. In this long mode example, we've slowed the footage down so you can clearly see how the algorithm handles each move. Starter positions are taken on the 1-minute and 5-minute breakouts, giving us 800 shares. As price climbs, the system compounds at each level, scaling from 2,000 to 5,000 shares. Price pushes past 436, the final take profit level, and the system sells a majority of the position for a large profit. After booking the first win, the system looks to re-enter before taking profit again as price makes fresh new highs. You'll notice that the compound position size, displayed on the left in the TP and SL regions, can never exceed the max allowed shares in the high-of-day region. This mechanism automatically switches a buy to a take profit or a stop-loss sell. The Rater Trading system scales back up and takes profit for the last time as the stock becomes very extended. A small position is kept open if parabolic price action continues, but momentum starts to fade, and as price drifts slightly under our cost basis, the system de-risks in the event of further downside. In this short mode example, the leading gainer has shares available to borrow using the intraday short locate tool, and now that the 1-minute MACD has closed and we've seen large topping tails, we can more confidently expect downward selling pressure. The algorithm is running and waits for a short limit order on the 1-minute breakout to fill. Once in a starter position, Rater Trading scales in as price heads lower in our expected direction. As the price moves sideways and drifts back above our cost basis, the system doesn't hesitate to de-risk until a more decisive move occurs. If price were to quickly reverse and break 440, the system would attempt a strategic double down to bring the cost basis up and immediately de-risk around break even to reposition for the next move lower. We don't get the strategic double down, but the price impulsively breaks lower. The Raider trading software compounds on each red S/L target until the last pending short order would exceed the maximum total position size. The cover mechanism kicks in and secures us a quick profit. That's Raider trading, an algorithm that scales with conviction, de-risks with precision, and turns momentum into profit, whether the stock is running or fading. Head to RaiderTrading.com to sign up, watch the setup guide, and get everything installed in under 10 minutes. Your automated trading journey starts now.